Seniors, this is way worse than you think. These 8 foods you eat every day are destroying your health, shortening your lifespan, and expanding your waistline. I spent days digging through nutrition studies on seniors, and what I found shocked me. Here are 8 foods that are hurting you right now, and how to avoid them. And stay sharp, because after we expose these aging culprits, I'll reveal 10 powerful anti-wrinkle foods that act like nature's Botox. Miss those, and you'll regret it every time you look in the mirror. Kicking off our list of foods that cause aging and belly fat, we've got processed meats. Bacon, hot dogs, deli meats. They taste like nostalgia, but inside your body, they're running a demolition crew. These meats are loaded with sodium, nitrates, and inflammatory compounds that stiffen blood vessels and crank up blood pressure. One large meta-analysis found that processed meat consumption is directly linked to higher risk of cardiovascular disease and all-cause mortality. Every strip of bacon is like peeling elasticity off your face. But don't push away your plate just yet, because the healthy alternative most people switched to decades ago, it might be even worse. Food number 2 is margarine. Remember when butter was demonized and margarine was the safe choice? Bad news. That plastic tub is packed with trans fats that silently torch your skin cells and inflame arteries. Even small amounts of trans fat increase cardiovascular risk and accelerate aging, according to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Imagine spreading a thin layer of rapid aging on your toast every morning. That's margarine. Before we move on, hit that subscribe button if you want more senior health hacks many doctors won't tell you. Because skipping the next food could mean skipping years off your life. Third on our list is white bread and refined carbs. Soft, fluffy, comforting, white bread feels innocent. But here's the dirty secret. Refined carbs spike your blood sugar, releasing compounds literally called AGEs, advanced glycation end products. AGEs accelerate wrinkling, and studies confirm they contribute to both diabetes and skin aging. Every sandwich made with white bread is basically handing Father Time a permanent marker and saying, "Go ahead, add another wrinkle to my face." But if bread ages you this quickly, wait until you hear about the sugar-free drink that secretly inflates your waistline. Diet soda is 4th on our list. Diet soda sells itself as the guilt-free option. 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 problems. Except not true. Artificial sweeteners hijack your gut bacteria, slow your metabolism, and trick your brain into craving more sugar. In one study, seniors who drank diet soda daily saw their waistlines grow 3 times faster than non-drinkers. Even worse, phosphoric acid in soda leaches calcium from bones, speeding up osteoporosis. But if you thought your morning routine was safe, the next item will sting, because millions of seniors unknowingly sabotage their health with this one tiny splash. 5th on our list is flavored coffee creamers. Vanilla caramel swirl, pumpkin spice, hazelnut. Sounds cozy, right? Wrong. Most creamers are a chemical cocktail of corn syrup solids, hydrogenated oils, and mystery additives. Research shows diets high in added sugars and trans fats accelerate skin aging and obesity. That creamy splash you pour into your coffee every morning? It's like painting crow's feet directly onto your face. But the slow burn of creamers is nothing compared to the full-on cellular assault of the next food. Number 6 is fried foods. French fries, onion rings, fried chicken. Crunchy, salty, addictive. But here's what you don't see. When oils are heated at high temperatures, they oxidize into free radicals. These compounds damage DNA, stiffen arteries, and wrinkle skin faster. That crackle of oil in the fryer, that's the sound of aging speeding up. Still, fried foods aren't the only crunchy culprits. The next sweet little snack is far more dangerous than it looks. Food number 7 is candy. A handful of candy feels like nothing, but sugar is the most efficient wrinkle accelerator known to science. It fuels glycation, the process that hardens and damages proteins keeping your skin firm. High sugar intake has been directly linked to visible skin aging in seniors. In other words, every candy bar is a time machine, set permanently to fast forward. But sugar's damage multiplies when it teams up with the final food on this list, a triple threat baked into almost every grocery aisle. Packaged baked goods is number 8 on today's list. I'm not talking about the occasional fresh muffin from your kitchen. I mean the store-bought processed kind that's designed to last on a shelf. Cookies, muffins, pastries, they're the unholy trinity. Refined carbs, sugar, and trans fats all in one neat little package. Together, they create chronic inflammation, sagging skin, and an expanding waistline. Research links frequent consumption of these foods to higher risks of obesity and cardiovascular disease in older adults. Every bite is like investing in aging stock. And trust me, the returns are terrible. Now, here's the twist you've been waiting for. If these 8 foods are speeding up aging, is there a way to fight back? Absolutely. And the secret lies in 10 anti-wrinkle foods proven to slow aging, smooth skin, and even flatten your belly. Anti-wrinkle food number 1 is blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, a class of antioxidants that defend your skin cells from oxidative stress, the very process that speeds up wrinkles. Even better, these little berries help preserve memory and focus, so you're not just looking younger, you're thinking sharper too. Number 2 is salmon. Salmon delivers omega-3 fatty acids that keep your skin supple by reducing inflammation in your cells. Seniors who eat fatty fish regularly also benefit from stronger joints and a healthier heart, which means staying active instead of slowing down. Next is avocados. Avocados are filled with healthy fats and vitamin E, both essential for smooth, elastic skin. Seniors who eat them regularly often notice stronger nails, shinier hair, and a glow that even expensive creams can't replicate. Spinach is the next food that helps you age slower. This leafy green is rich in lutein and vitamin K, which keep blood vessels flexible and skin vibrant. It also packs magnesium, giving your muscles and bones the strength to carry you gracefully into your 70s and beyond. Walnuts are up next. Walnuts provide plant-based omega-3s that lock moisture into your skin cells, preventing that dry, papery texture that makes wrinkles stand out. They also fuel your brain with compounds that improve memory and reduce age-related decline. Number 6 is sweet potatoes. These orange gems are packed with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A to protect skin from thinning and dryness. They also give you steady energy without the sugar crashes that accelerate aging. Number 7 is tomatoes. Tomatoes are brimming with lycopene, an antioxidant shown to protect against sun damage and premature skin aging. Add them to your meals and you're essentially giving your skin a natural shield against fine lines and sagging. Green tea is the next anti-aging food. Green tea is rich in catechins, compounds that fight DNA damage in skin cells and reduce inflammation. A daily cup doesn't just refresh, it can help your skin look smoother and your waistline slimmer over time. Number 9 is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, the kind with at least 70% cocoa, is high in flavonoids that improve blood circulation, bringing more nutrients to your skin. Just a square or two can reduce stress hormones that break down collagen, making this one indulgence that works in your favor. And our final anti-wrinkle food is olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that protect your skin from oxidative damage, helping it stay smooth and resilient. Seniors who drizzle it on daily meals often see lower inflammation, stronger hearts, and fewer visible signs of aging compared to those relying on processed oils. Think of aging as a seesaw. On one side are the foods that accelerate time, on the other are the foods that push back. Every choice you make tips the balance. Processed meats, fried foods, and candy are gravity pulling you down. Blueberries, salmon, and olive oil are the counterweights lifting you up. The truth is simple. Aging isn't just about candles on a cake. It's about what you put on your fork. Choose wisely, and you don't just live longer. You live sharper, stronger, and with skin that makes people whisper, "Wait, how old are you again?"